Hello friends, today we will discuss about application of ettosterilizer in bioscience field. Ettosterilization is a process of reducing the level of infection particles with the use of ethylene oxide gas at a very low temperature. Ettosterilization is fundamentally utilized in gas structure, and it can likewise be blended in with substances like CO2 or steam. It is generally used for things that can't withstand the glow of common autoclave purification, for instance, plastic. The essential physical parameters to be checked are temperature and relative wetness. Generally, ettosterilization process is done on 3 stages, which are mentioned below. Preconditioning process. In this process, infectious agents are taken out in a provided temperature and humid condition. Sterilization process. During this process, precise temperature control is significant and a hot jacket is utilized. As the general span of this cycle is around 60 hours, high accessibility of the framework is indispensable and framework repetition is required. Aeration. It is a process in which air in the sterilization chamber is used to remove etto gas. There is a separate room where this process takes place. Ethylene oxide sterilizer application in life science. Ethylene oxide sterilizer is used by companies in the sector of life science like manufacturers of medical devices, various laboratories. It is strong, safe to utilize, and the most practical low temperature. In the industry of biomedical research, ethylene oxide sterilizer are used to sterilize the cages and racks for reprocessing and also for various equipment. Hospital sterilizer for medical devices. This industry has various applications, mainly it is used for sterilizing various medical equipment. In hospitals where medical equipment like surgical tools, syringes, and bandages are used, there is a need to sterilize this equipment to keep them safe and hygienic. This equipment is cleaned effectively to prevent the spread of any disease from one patient to another. Sterilizing these medical devices removes germs, bacteria, and disinfects them for prior use. Ethylene oxide gas sterilizer for test labs. This is very necessary and widely used in test labs. The ethylene oxide gas sterilizer is used to minimize the exposure to residuals of ethylene oxide. There is a standard of testing medical devices that must be maintained at the time of testing. It is mandatory to maintain those standards of the sterilization process. This sterilization process ensures that the testing equipment is safe for human use. EO sterilizer for tissue banks. In recent times, sterilization for the animal, human, and synthetic tissue-related products are very much growing. Tissue banks and tissue makers have started looking for terminal sanitization for their items because of expanded administrative investigation, just as the craving for cleaner and more secure items. Ettosterilizer for animal research and spices. Ethylene oxide is utilized as a cleaning operator and in the production of synthetic concoctions. In animal research or tests, ethylene oxide seems to have regenerative poisonous impacts at high fixations. Epidemiologic perceptions among medical clinic staff or dental staff are occupied with sanitizing instruments with this operator recommend a relationship between introduction to ethylene oxide and there is a chance of miscarriage during birth. To know more about ettosterilizer, visit at www.hospitalsterilizers.com. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.